Welcome to our tutorial on how to add a profile picture in Gmail on your PC. Follow these simple steps to personalize your Gmail account. Step 1. Open Gmail. Launch your web browser and navigate to the Gmail website. Step 2. At the top right corner of the screen, locate your profile picture icon. It's usually a small circular image. Step 3. Click on your profile picture. A drop-down menu will appear. Step 4. On the drop-down menu, click Edit. This will take you to the profile settings page. Step 5. Look for the Add Profile Picture option and click on it. Step 6. A window will appear, allowing you to select a picture from your computer. Choose the desired image and click Open or Select. Step 7. After selecting the picture, click Next to proceed. Step 8. You can now adjust the crop of the image if needed. Once satisfied, click Save as Profile Picture. Congratulations! You have successfully added a profile picture to your Gmail account. Adding a profile picture to your Gmail account is a great way to personalize your online presence. Now you can easily recognize your account and make it more visually appealing. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials.